and welcome back to the channel. On this video I want to talk about the bike I'm on right now, the Lyric Graffiti, and I'm actually going to in just a moment hop off the bike and show you the bike if you're not familiar with it for a minute, because I want to talk about this bike, and in particular about whether you think it's a motorcycle or not, because I get so many comments from folks that watch the videos and say that you're riding a motorcycle, and then I've had other ones tell me that I need to get a motorcycle. So which is it? I mean, they could watch the same video of me riding this bike and one person says that's a motorcycle, and then somebody else says, hey, why don't you get a motorcycle instead of what you're riding? So which is it? Is this a motorcycle or is it an e-bike? I think it's an e-bike, and I'm going to hop off right here. And if you're not familiar with the bike, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so there it is there. And I think that headlight always, when they see the headlight, they're thinking motorcycle right away. So what do you think? Do you think this is a motorcycle or an e-bike? Go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Now, the bike does have pedals, but I don't really pedal this bike. This is not my pedal bike. I prefer to throttle this bike. This is my no pedal bike. Hope I didn't just run over some glass there. So what do you think? Is this an e-motorcycle or an e-bicycle? So is a Super 73, which is basically the same style of bike, is it a e-motorcycle or an e-bicycle? They're e-bicycles in my opinion. If you want to say something is an e-motorcycle, I would say something more like the Onyx RCR or the Lyric VETUS. Just like the Graffiti X that I'm going to be riding in the summer when it arrives, hopefully in early August. That to me is still a bicycle. And I plan on taking it on bike trails. And wherever else a bicycle can go. no matter what you call it, I'm enjoying it. It's an electric bike that I have ridden a lot, and I've enjoyed every moment of riding it. And what's this guy gonna do? He's gonna wait. We're getting closer and closer to the very nice weather. And today is not a bad day. We're probably sitting here today at about 50, I think it's 55 degrees. And sunshine. Really nice day for riding. I'm probably making a lot of folks jealous that I'm able to ride under pretty good weather conditions, whereas you're probably sitting there with cruddy, crappy weather. But your weather will come soon enough, and we'll see more and more e-bikes out on the road. And especially those folks that bought a new bike this winter and it's your first bike and you haven't had a chance to get out there and ride yet, I'm sure you're itching to do so. And I would be too. So hopefully the weather gets nicer sooner than later here, because we're almost spring, for goodness sakes. So let me know in the comments about the motorcycle e-bike thing. And do you ever get those comments too, where folks are telling you that, hey, that's not an e-bike, that's a motorcycle. And if they do you reply back or just say nothing, or what do you say? I think everybody seems to have their own interpretations of stuff, so I don't know if anybody's right or wrong. I just call it an electric bike. That's the way I look at it. Well, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, just hit that subscribe button, and thank you very much for supporting us. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And once again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, keep your wheels on the road.